In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix FaceTime not working on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you have FaceTime open, the very first thing that you want to go ahead and do is if you have it open in the background, go ahead and swipe out, try and open it again, and see if that works. But if that still doesn't work, what you want to go ahead and do firstly is swipe down, make sure airplane mode is not enabled. If it's enabled, you're not going to be able to make any FaceTime calls whatsoever. And then what you want to do is go over to settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see general, go ahead and click on that. Then when you scroll down again, go to date and time and make sure it's on set automatically. If it's not on set automatically and it's at a random time, that could be why it's not working. The final thing you want to go ahead and do is go to the search bar on the very bottom, click on that, then just type in FaceTime. Now all you want to do is go over to the first option and it shows all the different settings for FaceTime. You want to make sure that FaceTime is enabled at the bottom here. It says people can contact you on all your devices with FaceTime using your phone number or email address. So just make sure it's enabled, and if it is enabled and it's still not working, toggle it off and then toggle it back on again and then see if that works. And also you can scroll down, and if you have silence unknown callers or call filtering on at any point, you can turn those off and then you'll be good to go.